Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today we're going to dive into our in-depth review of GoHighLevel. If you've heard about GoHighLevel before, you might know that it's an all-in-one platform designed for small businesses and agencies. But what exactly is GoHighLevel and how does it work? Before we begin, I'd like to mention a special offer. Now, normally, when you sign up through GoHighLevel's website, you get a 14-day free trial. But with my link, you'll get a 30-day free trial. Plus, as a thank you, I'm giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which guides you through setting up and launching your business in those first 30 days. GoHighLevel has many features, and it can be overwhelming. So in my course, I focus on the key aspects to help you start making money with GoHighLevel within those first 30 days. You'll also receive my high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances. These templates are valued at over $900, but they are yours for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description below. Just click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thanks for supporting the channel. Now, let's dive in. What is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is more than just a CRM platform. It's an all-in-one solution designed to help businesses streamline their operations, automate processes, and enhance customer communication. Whether you're an agency looking to white label the software and offer it to clients under your own brand, or a business owner needing a powerful tool to manage leads and customer relationships, GHL has got you covered. It combines the functionalities of customer relationship management, marketing automation, messaging, and sales funnels into an easy-to-use platform. Think of GHL as a big toolbox that has everything you need to run and grow your business. It's strong and dependable, packed with various tools to help you with your tasks like automation and customer communication. What's great about it is that you only pay a flat monthly fee to access this powerful platform. It makes managing your business much simpler and more efficient. Leadership of GHL. Now let's talk about the brains behind the incredible software. GHL was founded by three guys, Sean Clark, Varun Jain, and Robin Alex. These three are the driving forces behind GoHighLevel. They prioritize substance over style, and their main goal is to create a product that really works. Instead of promoting get-rich-quick schemes or exaggerating features that don't deliver, they focus on building something truly effective. Listening to their customers, one thing that sets GHL apart from many other software companies is how they listen to their customers. At the GHL Summit, Varun Jain shared a story about a customer who needed a specific feature that wasn't available yet. Instead of ignoring the request, Varun took it to the development team, and they worked overnight to create the feature that the customer needed. Now, this example shows how GHL is always evolving to meet its users' needs. In many companies, customer feedback often gets overlooked as they stick to their own agendas. However, GoHighLevel does things a little bit differently. They make customer feedback a key part of their development process. As a result, the platform is continuously updated with features that users actually want and need. This commitment to listening to customers helps GHL stay relevant and user-friendly. The story behind GHL. The story of how GoHighLevel's current model came to be is quite interesting. It all started with Sean Clark, who was trying to sell a two-way SMS software to local businesses. And many businesses love the software, but surprisingly, a lot of them canceled shortly after signing up. When Sean asked them why they were canceling, he often got the same response. They loved the software, but they didn't have the time or the tech skills to figure it out. This feedback sparked a light bulb moment for Sean. He connected with Robin Alex, who had around 80 agency clients. And Robin recognized the potential of GHL and asked if he could offer it to all of his clients. This was a turning point for Sean and his team. They realized that instead of selling directly to small businesses, they should target agencies that could provide the software to their clients. Now, this new approach not only expanded GoHighLevel's reach, but also made the platform more accessible for the businesses that needed it. Two main pillars. This pivot is what brought GoHighLevel to its current success. It offers two main features: agency tools and CRM capabilities. First, agencies can use GHL to manage multiple client accounts under their own brand. This allows them to provide customized services tailored to the customer's needs. On the other hand, the CRM features help businesses handle their operations. This includes everything from generating leads to communicating with customers, all within one platform. What makes GoHighLevel special is how it seamlessly supports both agencies and businesses. It's a versatile tool that caters to a wide range of users. Whether you run a small business or manage numerous clients' accounts, GHL has the tools that you need to succeed. Every business has leads. Every business, regardless of its size or industry, generates leads. And these leads can come from many sources like Facebook ads, Google ads, website forums, phone calls, or even walk-ins. However, for many companies, these leads are spread across different platforms. This makes it challenging to manage them effectively. This is where GHL comes in. It helps centralize all of your leads into one place. This gives you a clear view of your sales pipeline. With everything organized, managing your leads becomes much easier. You can automate follow-ups, schedule appointments, and track customer interactions all within a single platform. The features of GHL. Now let's dive into some of the key features that make GHL such a powerful tool. Now, these features are designed to help you automate your process, streamline operations, and improve communication with your customers. Automation is a key feature of GoHighLevel. The platform lets you create automated workflows triggered by events like lead generation, sales, and customer interactions. For instance, you can set up an automation to send a follow-up email whenever a lead fills out a form on your website. You can also automatically send a text message when an appointment is booked. The possibilities with GoHighLevel's automation are almost endless. Whether you want to send reminders, nurture leads, or trigger actions based on customer behavior, GoHighLevel makes it simple to set up and manage these workflows. Another important feature of GHL is its strong reporting capabilities. With GHL, you can easily track and analyze data from all your marketing campaigns, your sales funnels, and customer interactions. You can customize and filter this data to see exactly what you need. Whether you want to check the performance of a specific campaign, the success rate of a sales team, or the overall health of your business, GHL makes it simple. The reporting tools are user-friendly, making it easy to generate reports that offer valuable insights into your business operations. These insights can help you make informed decisions, optimize your strategies, and ultimately grow your business. GHL's pipeline management feature is a true game changer. It helps you visualize your sales process, track leads, and manage your sales team's performance, all in one place. With customizable pipelines, you can easily see where each lead is in your buyer's journey. This makes it simpler to follow up at the right time and close deals more effectively and efficiently. Additionally, the pipeline feature works seamlessly with GoHighLevel's tools, like automation and reporting. This integration gives you a complete view of your sales process from start to finish. GHL includes a helpful membership feature that lets you create and manage online courses and communicates right on the platform. This is perfect for businesses looking to provide training or educational content to their customers. The membership feature works well with all of GHL's tools. You can automate communication with your members, you can track their progress, and even collect payments all in one place. This integration makes it simple to offer a smooth experience for your members while keeping everything organized. Another standout feature of GHL is the conversation dashboard. Now, this tool gathers all of your communication channels in one spot. It includes email, SMS, Google My Business Messages, live chat, WhatsApp, Facebook, calls, voicemails, and Instagram DMs. With everything in one place, you can easily manage all of your customer interactions. This makes it simpler to keep track of your conversations and respond quickly. The conversation dashboard aims at improved customer service and streamlined communication. By viewing and managing all of your interactions from a single dashboard, you're going to save time and ensure that no message or inquiry falls through the cracks. In 2024, GoHighLevel launched several new AI-powered features that boost its capabilities. These AI tools can help you with various tasks. You can create social media content, write emails, edit text on your funnels or websites, and even automate responses to leads using an AI chat box. The addition of AI to GHL simplifies managing content creation and customer communication. This means that you can spend less time on these tasks and more time focusing on growing your business. GHL also offers support for third-party app. This feature makes it simple to enhance the platform's functionality. You can easily connect with popular tools like Zapier, Stripe, or QuickBooks. The GHL Marketplace has a wide range of apps available for integration. This flexibility means that GHL can adapt to meet your business specific needs no matter what other tools you are currently using. GHL is a great tool for agencies. It enables them to manage their multiple client accounts all in one place. Agencies can also white label the software. This means that they can offer it to their clients under their own brand, helping them create a new source of income. Moreover, GHL provides tools that simplify client account management. Agencies can easily automate tasks and track performance, all from a single dashboard. This makes their workflow more efficient and organized. GHL provides several pricing plans designed for different users as well. The basic plan starts at $97 a month, and it includes 3 sub-accounts and access to most of GHL's features. Now, this plan is perfect for small businesses or agencies that are just starting out. For agencies looking for more flexibility, the $297 per month plan is a great choice. It offers unlimited sub-accounts, which is ideal for those managing multiple clients. Additionally, this plan allows agencies to rebill their clients for extra costs, such as text messages and emails. This feature can help agencies boost their revenue. GHL has a flat monthly fee for most of its features, but there are a few extra costs for certain services. Now, these include things like AI generation, texting, and emailing. The charges depend on how much you use these services, and thanks to GHL's volume discounts with providers like Twilio, you get lower rates. For example, when you send a text message through GHL, the platform shares the savings from Twilio with you. This helps you keep your costs down. Overall, this pricing model is fair and transparent. You only pay for what you actually use. One of the advantages of using GHL is the volume discounts it offers to its users. As one of Twilio's biggest customers, GoHighLevel gets substantial discounts on services like texting and emailing. Now, these services are then passed on to GHL users. This means that using these services at scale becomes much more affordable. Overall, GHL not only provides great tools, but also helps you save money while doing so. And that wraps up our in-depth review of GoHighLevel for 2024. As you can see, GHL is a powerful platform that offers a wide range of features designed to help businesses and agencies streamline their operations, automate processes, and improve customer communication. Whether you're just getting started or looking to scale your business, GoHighLevel has the tools that you need to succeed. If you're ready to give GHL a try, don't forget to use my link in the description below to get an exclusive 30-day free trial. Plus, you'll receive my full GHL Jumpstart course and $900 worth of high-quality templates for free. It's all there to help you get up and running with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and tutorials.